Hi, I'm Frank from Canadian Tropicals, and this is Latte. I lucked out and I actually found some Sapodilla in a grocery store here. Most Canadians have no idea what Sapodilla is, so let me just give a brief description. It comes from an evergreen tree that's native to southern Mexico, Central America, and the tree grows in the ground, can grow extremely large. However, it can also be maintained in a pot between 4 and 6 feet. There's even some dwarf varieties that will stay between 2 and 3 feet. So this is a very versatile plant on how you want to grow it. But I was excited to find the fruit. Now the fruit itself doesn't really look like much. It looks like a potato. That's the best way I can describe it. You know, there really isn't much look to the fruit. You have to leave this fruit to soften before you eat it. So when you push in with your finger, it should indent a little. If not, it's not quite ready to be eaten. The tree does produce a white latex that was actually the original ingredient in chiclet gum. So if you've ever eaten chiclet gum, you have an idea of what Sapodilla's sap tastes like. But the fruit itself is a whole different story. I'm gonna cut it open and let's see what it tastes like. I've heard about this fruit a lot. I've never had the chance to taste this before. So let's cut this fruit in half and take a look. On the inside, I would say it looks like a brown kiwi. Now, the fruit also has large seeds, which I have been warned against. Apparently there is a hook on these seeds, and the hook is very tiny, and I don't even think this will show up on the camera. And the hook is right on the edge there. It's very tiny, but apparently some people have swallowed this and gotten stuck in their throats. So don't eat the seeds. The seeds have also been known to induce things like vomiting. So don't even try to eat the seeds. They're not good for you. So once I'm sure I've gotten all the seeds out, I will then scoop this and give it a taste. Very sweet. There's a definite aftertaste of cinnamon and brown sugar. It has a granular texture to it, and I think that's because of all the sugars that are in it. Pear. That's what I would describe the initial taste as a very sweet pear, and then followed by a brown sugar and cinnamon taste. So this is very delicious. I'm very glad that I found it. I would highly recommend trying it if you ever see it in a store. Just remember to let it get fully ripe. These plants are supposedly high in nutrients. I'm not a nutritionist. I can't really attest to that. But according to WebMD, these are a good source of potassium, fiber, antioxidants. So this is something that I would definitely recommend giving a try if you did ever see in a store, because it is very delicious. As for the seeds, pop them in the ground and grow it as an indoor plant. If you can keep it around 4 feet tall, that's an ideal size for a larger house plant. So And in case you're wondering, Latte did leave me for a while to go play with our cat Willow, but he has come back. And so thanks for watching. Remember to click on subscribe, leave a comment, and if you're in Canada, check out my store on Etsy. Thanks a lot. Bye.